Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the best camera tips and tricks for your Xiaomi 13T. So I'm gonna show you 5 the most useful tricks, and the first one will be about the brightness adjustment. So when you click on the screen, you will be able to decrease or increase brightness level on your phone. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen like that. The next tip will be about other modes. So if you want to get more details on your photos, I can recommend you to get the 50 megapixel mode. And I'm gonna take the photo, for example, of this button. So just catch the focus, click on the shutter, the photo was taken, and as you can see, here we have the preview of this photo. As you can see, we can find a lot of details. Next tip will be also it will be about the settings. So when you click right here, you will find the settings that are very useful. For example, we can turn on the voice shutter. So we have to say cheese to take the photo, and the voice shutter is working. And also from the useful options, you can find the shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. When you turn it on and click on the shutter, your phone after this time will take the photo. If you want to zoom in or zoom out in this phone, you can use these presets, but also you can click and hold and unlock this slider. And as you can see, with the slider, you can smoothly zoom in and zoom out, just like that. So yeah, also you can go for the video mode, where you can adjust the resolution, so between 4K and 8K. You can simply do this, and also we can change the frames per second, but when you are on the 8K you can only use 30 frames per second, but with the 8K you can even get 60 frames per second. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.